Hello everyone, a very good morning to all. We from Brightpoint Infotech would like to show the exciting things about Power BI and what, why and how it's useful for an organization. Everyone must have already heard about it as it's booming at the moment. So there's this one question that we get often. Why can't we just keep using Excel? What is so special about Power BI and how is it different from Excel? Well, let's head on to the presentation and have a look at what Power BI is and how useful it is for an organization. Power BI is a data visualization and business intelligence tool provided by Microsoft for analyzing and visualizing raw data to present actionable information. It combines business analytics and data visualization that help an organization to make data-driven decisions. It converts data from different sources to build interactive dashboards and business intelligence reports. To give an example, assume that we have sales data in an Excel sheet or in any other sources of cloud or on-premises data. Using this data, Power BI helps you build different charts and graphs to visualize the data and view reports in web or mobile, or even embed it into any MS Office applications and then can be used for insights and also can be shared with the others in the organization. Power BI lets you connect to an extensive variety of data sources. You can either use Power BI Desktop or Power BI Services to connect your data. Using Power BI Desktop, you can make any transformations to the data and start building the report. With a variety of visual tools and a custom visual gallery, you can create stunning visuals for your organization. The reports and dashboards can be shared with the other users as well and can collaborate on these reports. In Power BI, you can set up granular security, including row-level access filters to ensure that the users only see the data they're meant to see. This is a good security feature to keep a certain level of confidentiality for your organization's data. Power BI reports helps to interpret organizational data in a different and easy way and derive meaning out of it, which can help assess various business metrics. Power BI contains lots of visuals to choose from, ranging from simple metrics and bar graphs to different charts like scatter and ribbon charts. And along with these, there are also a collection of custom visuals that can be imported. This allows the users to create visuals as per their needs as they look at the data. Users can take advantage of the email subscriptions for reports to avoid navigating to the report frequently and rather get the report delivered to their mail according to the user's required frequency and also get alerted upon data changes in the dashboard. In today's business world, having tools that allow us to analyze and transform data into understandable information is fundamental. More and more companies are realizing the importance of data analysis and its relationship to improving performance and profits. That's why choosing the right tool is very much important. Excel and Power BI are two of the most popular data analysis applications. When there's a head-to-head comparison between Excel and Power BI is the side with more merit to its name. Let's take a quick look at what differentiates both the applications. Power BI can handle or process millions of rows together with fast speed, while in Excel it would be a bit challenging to process large amounts of data, and also automatic data refresh is a plus point for Power BI. In cloud-based features, Power BI can publish the reports and share the reports with the end users with Microsoft-based cloud platforms, while in Excel, the user will have to share the dashboard via email or any other online sharing tool. The visualizations department is where Power BI is a class apart when compared to Excel. In BI, there are loads of visuals to choose from when compared to Excel. Other points in favor of Power BI are superior connectivity, as Power BI can access and extract data from much more sources, and collaborative work, advanced cross-filtering, alerts, etc. are all the points which gives Power BI a strong advantage over Excel. This is how the visuals may look when things are done in Excel. Now let's take a look at a Power BI report with the same dataset. Here we can see the output is much better and effective than the output we just saw from Excel. Let's take a quick tour of the Power BI report and see what it's all about. This is a sales report we have created here in Brightpoint. This report shows the sales and revenue metrics based on factors like product, location, etc. Right on the top, there's two cards which denotes the total revenue won and total revenue in pipeline. The line chart on the left depicts value by different sales stages. Right next to it, there's a bar chart which depicts the revenue by product category under each territory. The table visual next to it shows an overall idea about the sales by industry. Here, revenue won and revenue in pipeline has an added detail of data bars to visually represent the numbers. Then there's close percentage with icons. The icons are for set conditions. Here, like for example, if the close percentage is between 0 to 50%, the icon is red. If close percentage is between 50 to 80%, the icon is yellow. And if it's between 80 to 100%, the icon is green. Last column in the table is about average win. Revenue is shown by product category in the pie chart, and further drilling down on the pie chart shows revenue by all products. Right next to it, it is an impressive map visual which shows revenue by location. Here in the map, revenue is shown based on the density of the color. That is, dark blue shows the states with more revenue and fades based on the states with lesser revenue. Hovering over any state gives the details of the revenue, and this helps the users to get a gist of the sales across the country or region. Right beside the map, there is a table visual that shows the forecast by product category and product. The last visual in the report is at the bottom, which is the scroller visual, which indicates the revenue forecast by states. There are some filters available on the top for any slicing or filtering of data. On the top left corner, there is a filter icon. Upon clicking it, filter panel opens up, and this is where the user can filter the data as per their need. Finally, there's a button on the top section called Insights or QA. Clicking it opens the Insights page, and this is the section where the user can get some extra insights on the data. There are two key influencers on the left, which Power BI auto-generates the insights after we have chosen the fields to base these insights upon. Let's take a closer look at one of these influencers. On the first influencer, it analyzes what influences the revenue in pipeline to increase. The list shows the elements. For example, when the campaign type is so and so, the average revenue in pipeline increases by that particular amount. And other pointers like revenue in pipeline increases by 3.71k when the product category is 1 year warranty. And the visual on the right is a representation of the first point. On the right is the section for the user to ask questions about the data and get results. Here, Power BI uses its natural language query capability to draw insights from the data based on the questions typed by the user into the search box. By default, there are some suggested questions. So let's try one of those. Upon clicking that, we can see the bifurcation of the revenue on average by purchase process. This is a very useful part of Power BI which makes the whole experience more interactive and effective. So this was a quick tour of the sales report, and we just saw the full potential of Power BI and why it's been immensely preferred. Power BI reports are functional in many domains outside of the Power BI services, which is the web portal for Power BI. The Power BI reports can be integrated in many applications and domains like Microsoft SharePoint, Microsoft Dynamics Dashboard, Microsoft Teams, and other applications of Microsoft, Salesforce, and external websites as well, and many more. This gives an idea about the scope of Power BI integrations. We have seen what Power BI is, the details of it, and how important of a business intelligence tool it is for an organization. So let us help you understand your business insights, explore data, and build reports with Power BI solutions from Brightpoint Infotech. Thank you and have a great day ahead.